Hi, I'm Kevin, Sales Manager for Refrigeration at Daikin Australia. I'm excited to introduce our new evaporator range, built specifically for tough environments. This is the Daikin DeVap Range, our latest refrigeration solution designed for performance, flexibility and long-time reliability. With the DeVap range, Daikin now offers a complete refrigeration equipment solution, providing contractors and consultants with a system designed for Australian requirements. Backed by Daikin's global engineering experience and renowned build quality, the DeVap range delivers strong performance and compatibility with most A1 class lower-GWP refrigerants, including R448A, R452A and R513A. Whether you're installing a new system or replacing an existing one, DeVap is a durable, dependable choice you can rely on. We've designed the DeVap with installers in mind. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle in tight spaces. This wide access panel, which doesn't need tools, it's hinged and fully removable, making commissioning and maintenance quicker and easier. Also, the reversible hinge drain pan supports more flexible drainage layouts, especially when upgrading existing systems. For more information, visit the Daikin Refrigeration website or contact your nearest Daikin Refrigeration representative. Thanks for watching.